Saudi Hajj flight faces tech glitch in Lucknow. The landing gear snag in the plane with 250 Hajj pilgrims. That's what the report is currently coming in. The smoke seen on Saudi airline wheel has been reported. Hydraulic oil leak. All passengers are safe and pilots managed to land the Saudi flight safely. Jeddah-Lucknow flight stranded at Lucknow airport currently. These are the latest details we are getting. Yet another alarming incident coming in from the aviation sector that we've been keeping a close watch on, especially in the last couple of days, ever since the big tragedy that hit Ahmedabad, a plane crash on June 12th, that is. With that, let me quickly bring in Samarth Srivastava from Lucknow, who's joining us on the broadcast right now. Samarth, help us understand what exactly are the details you're picking up from the ground. Yet another alarming incident that we get to hear of from the aviation sector.
Yes, an alarming incident was averted, I must say, from the Lucknow airport. A Saudi airline flight carrying 250 Hajj passengers landed at the Lucknow airport. It was coming from Jeddah and began the flight at around 10:30 p.m. On Saturday night and landed at around 6:30 a.m. It's on Sunday, that means yesterday. And when it landed, it saw even the technical glitch around the tires of that particular aircraft. Smoke started coming. Thereafter, the pilot himself came to rescue and alerted the airlines officials, and later we saw airlines officials reach the spot and douse that particular smoke and some flames coming from that particular tire. Also, the passengers were evacuated from that particular flight. No passenger was hurted, so everyone was safe as the flight was landed from came to Lucknow from Jeddah and was about to leave from Lucknow airport empty, because it's one flight which takes the Hajj pilgrims from Jeddah to Lucknow every time. And it also happened like that, but it was the intelligence of the pilot at that particular moment who saved any misfortunate incident from that particular spot and alerted the airport authorities, after which it took 20 minutes to douse that particular smoke coming from the tire. That happened due to the technical glitch. Back to you.
Samarth, a big question has been coming up, especially in the past couple of days. Where are the aviation sector authorities going wrong in implementing checks? Why are guidelines not being followed? Or more importantly, why are checks not being thoroughly done? We're seeing back-to-back incidents taking place over the last couple of even hours, if we say so, 24 hours, if we say so.
Well, exactly. That's a big question. It's also the responsibility of the department to look after the things, every sensitive matter. But we saw what actually happened in Ahmedabad, where more than 250 lives have been lost. And after that, such incidents are coming back to back. Be it from Uttarakhand, we saw a helicopter crash in which 7 persons lost their lives. And now this happening in Lucknow. Though any mishap was averted due to the intelligence of the pilot, due to the alertness of the pilot who landed the flight on time at the Lucknow airport at the correct time of around 6:30 a.m. because it had around 250 passengers coming from Jeddah, and it took the flight took almost more than 6 hours, because it started at around 10:30 p.m. from Jeddah and landed at Lucknow airport around 6:30 a.m. So there was no problem whatsoever during the time it was in the sky. But once it landed, that it could be the thing, it could be the reason that when it landed, suddenly a tire caught some fire or some flames came out, and after which smoke generated. And later, when pilot realized this particular thing, he landed the flight at the correct side of the airport and alerted the airport authorities. Also, the men who were assembled at the airport authority reached there on time and doused the fire within 20 minutes. What we are getting from the airport sources so far.
Right, Samarth, thank you for bringing us all the latest details on this very story.